Hello everyone. Today we will create Microsoft account which is required for Office 365 registration. For that you have to go to live.com where you will get Microsoft registration. It will automatically go to Outlook live.com in which you are supposed to create your account. So just to click on create free account, we have to click on this button. Microsoft Office account is required when you want to create Office 365 account, or Office 365 registration will ask you for Microsoft email ID which will end with either outlook.com or hotmail.com. Now if I want to use new account, then I can create new account, otherwise I can use my Gmail ID. Let's check now. Now I know that this is my new account, so Microsoft will ask me for new password. You can keep password which will be more than 8 characters. Then you have to tick on this I would like to information tip offer of Microsoft. Then click on next. Then he will ask you your personal information which he will register as user. He will automatically detect your country. This birthday will be not visible to everyone unless and until you give permission. So don't worry, you can give this information to Microsoft. In this way I have to fill up my personal information. Now before proceeding we need to make sure that a real person is creating this account or not. This is their notification. So I have to enter the character which I can see right now. So 556 Y V capital H capital X capital J and W. Let's check. Now when you will click on next, he will check whether that captcha is right or wrong. If it is right, he will go to next level. And now you can see your outlook.live.com is processing for your new Outlook account, and this account will help me to create Office 365, as well as this account is helpful for other MS Office features, and these features are there more products, collaborative ease, get more done integration, and much more than email. You can get multiple things for Office 365, and that support will be provided by Microsoft just because you have this account. So in this way what we learned today is how to create Microsoft account. Now next step will be we will create Office 365 account. For that, again keeping same email ID or same video continuously, I can go to Office 365 website. In this search I got first website. Now you can see there is sign in button as well as get Office. You can create, communicate, collaborate and get great work done by using Office 365. Office 365 is nothing but online MS Office available on mobile and other instruments which are handy. You can get monthly subscription of Office 365, and you can use Office 365 for, now we will use this. So you have to just fill up your personal information, and Outlook will provide you one email ID which is compulsory to create new account for Office 365. When you will use this, he will ask you to go with premium Microsoft Office or free Office. Now what is premium? Premium will going to give you multiple devices as well as 1 TB storage, OneDrive storage, and some advanced security levels. But when you will go with free Office for the web, Office Online apps only, and with 5 GB cloud storage. So I have two choice. Current plan is automatically selected, that is free. I can take a trial of 1 month first, and then I can choose monthly subscription or yearly subscription. Now we will just follow the steps and we will understand how to create your cloud account as well as your Office 365 account. In this way, what we have created is, this is my Office 365 account. Now when I want to learn, when I want to know what is Office 365, there are multiple options available, from which Word, Excel and PowerPoint are for documentation and office use. OneNote and Outlook are for office contacts. To Do is task list. Skype is video call. Then other apps in which multiple things are available, that is Bing, MSN, privacy and rewards. So in this way, what we learn is how to create Office 365 account, and we can easily use these all features, that is forms, then pages, MS Office, everything is available just because you have your own MS Office. But this MS Office is online so whenever you will go to outside work, or whenever you will be on tour, you will easily access your file. You can communicate in the team. Every individual person will get 1 TB storage. So in team of 5, automatically you are getting 5 TB storage. But for that you have to take monthly subscription, and monthly subscription is only one time activity. Then automatically you have to register as well as renew your MS Office 365 registration. This is not pirated, this is legal software, so you have authority to use all feature as well as support from Microsoft. And I always recommend you all to go with registered license software, and this is available easily in 450 approximately Indian rupees for monthly charges. So please register yourself first for Office 365. Once you are ready with your registration, you can enjoy all features available in front of you. Thank you.
Did you find this video helpful? Then like and share this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.